He and I have been cutting together like 24 years combined. I usually do all the cushions and he does all the flat work. We're a team. The foundation of really the furniture starts in the cutting. It has to be right. We read each other. We could go all day and not say a word and do our job. He takes off and I take off. Tuck and I go fishing together, and that's probably one of my biggest passions. Sometimes when you go, the fish is just a bonus. Basically, it's like I'm working for him, he's working for me. You know, so I want to do a good job for him, he wants to do a good job for me, and that's the way I think you need to look at it. We just have that respect for each other.
He's not like my brother, he is my brother.